Truth is, your first year as a mortgage broker is hard enough without making it harder for yourself. And so the right tools and setups are going to speed up your CAS journey, reduce mistakes, and give you the confidence. So in this lesson, I'm going to share some simple things that make a huge difference. We spoke about them in the last lesson, but we're going to expand on them even deeper so you can understand exactly how they work. So the first one is the 3-screen setup. Now, if there's one thing I'd recommend above all else at the beginning is a 3-screen setup. It seems silly and overkill, but honestly, it's an absolute game changer. Not very much. Go to Amazon, buy yourself a second screen and third screen as well. It's really not expensive. On screen 1, you're going to have your fact find. On screen 2, you'd have your mortgage application. And on screen 3, you'll have all client documents, so ID, pay slips, bank statements. Now this way you can cross-check line by line without flicking back and forth. And it's one of the fastest ways to avoid errors that delay CAS. Honestly, cannot stress how useful this is. Next, we have the right first time checklist by your side, which hopefully you have built from the last lesson. And where possible, create templates for notes and emails and client communications alongside that, because consistency is going to equal speed and it shows compliance you've got a system. Now, if you're struggling with typing or you're just faster at talking, using dictation tools is another one. Most PCs and Macs have inbuilt speech to text nowadays. You can even dictate it on your phone and then move those notes across if you have to. There are apps as well out there like Otter, like Speechify. So dictate your notes straight into the system, then tidy them up. And it means every case reads like a story and nothing gets lost in your head. As a dyslexic, this is one of the best things I did when I was a broker, and I use it all the time in my coaching today. Another one is organization systems. Your brain should be for thinking, not remembering. So use a task manager like Microsoft To Do, Trello, Asana to keep track of all your client milestones. You also want to use things like WhatsApp groups with client's permission, of course, to centralize communication. It stops things getting lost in emails. And set fixed days for reviewing documents so clients know the rhythm and you stay in control. Now, the tools aren't there to replace your skills. They're there to support it. So even small things like just having 2 monitors if you can't do 3 or a headset can shave hours off your workload and make you look way more professional to clients. So here is your task for this lesson. On a blank page, write 3 columns. Tools I have, tools I need, and tools I'll try. Under have, list what you're already using. So is that laptops, diary, CRM. Under need, list the essentials you don't have yet. Maybe that's a second or third monitor or a task manager. And under try, list one of the one to experiment, maybe dictation software or WhatsApp groups. This will give you a simple action plan to make your CAS journey smoother and build up your skills in the meantime. That's the end of module 2. And in the next module, we're going to be shifting gears and diving into something CMAP never prepares you for, and that is sales and lead generation. This is the module that makes or breaks most new advisors and gets you across that death beach fastest. So I'll see you in that one.